I'm here today with Jessie, my little helper, and we're going to bring you top 5 nappy changing tips that will hopefully make all the difference. They're a bit quirky, a bit funny, but they really work for us and I hope you find them really helpful. Sometimes we go out and about and there's so many places that just don't have changing areas or changing mats. They don't have the correct changing facilities for babies, and I've ended up changing them on the floor, so it's always so helpful to have a changing mat with you at all times. If you don't have a portable changing mat with you, sometimes muslin's always really handy because you always tend to have them on hand when they're little especially. So if the surface isn't kind of ideal, you can just stick a muslin underneath them and it'll keep them warm and keep them a bit more comfortable. So I tend to kind of shape my legs so they're around, and he lays his head on my feet, so it kind of works as a little cushion. Keeping baby distracted when you're changing them. As you can see, Jessie loves playing, messing, and he hates having his nappy changed. So when we're out and about and need to keep him distracted, he usually has one of his toys. If you don't have toys with you, wipes are always a really good one because you always have them on hand. So I usually just give Jessie a wipe to play with, and he really kind of thinks he's helping you, which is really sweet. This one was kind of a huge game changer for me. So I learned it from my partner, who seems to be better at nappy changes than I am. So many times I've not prepared my wipes and ended up picking up the packet and pulling 20 wipes out in one go, and there's poo everywhere and it's just a disaster. So always prepare your wipes. Okay guys, this one is a little bit strange, but my partner started doing it and I saw that it really worked. So 2 words, nappy head. It's a little bit of a stupid one, but the baby's laughing, you're being silly, and at the end of the day, the nappy changing gets done and hopefully there's minimal mess. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you find these tips helpful, and definitely feel free to share your own as well because we all need the help. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to Mumsnet.